Na mbunge wa TNS Mpuru wa Borina meneretie gavana wa Mpuru Kawira mwangaza na njuri ewe nikira kuwaneka Kawira barachore MWINGI ko EACC kenda genete kwithira beta mukinyo wa Mpuru kumunenete ture imrumirite ciungumania na wamba ndene ya obisi ewe hakiaria Mpuru wite utemurandi noyo moyurare wane kigine ke CDF na kubaro irira atumi mitandao nere chithirite itumunyekire nyumba cia nteto ni cio Urongo na cio muthukiria rietwa ende yatire ko kinya mukinyo thirikari ya Kawira mwangaza mukiri mitheka aina ripotie.
Mbunge Tiga Mpuru wa Borina thekelete barua ira yandikirirwo angirwa kurona mpukumu wa Kenya EACC akiwa negeria rio kunikila kiraku iwamba bwa mbetetie kaunti Mpuru ira ithirite akithetera
uria ugachoka ogowa bomatokete na mtu akawa huyo na mwizi ni yeye mwamba we aliwera huyo sika huyo na ndio nani ndio mwizi mtu na araome akorambia si ANTU Mpuru wa kurambia mimbi simbechi kile watibu loi ndawo kurambia si ANTU soke be siambi katibo soke mbia siambi si ANTU ndawo soke mbecha ogo Mpuru mwamba ambo soke mbe
aretie gitarira kwandamene na mabisa kuma mbondi echukuru Mauritania mantu yegi ogima bwa mwere ya Kenya KMTC batongeretu ilusi kuria kwa ile munda ntere chukuru primary ntamicho irae wandine mudhara tiganiesti naraba kwendekethi wakwa kwa shukuru
kamite ni akarite ndi na community na twetikaniria itukwenda KMTC antwao.
We have surveyed, we have looked at the premises and going by our requirements we are satisfied that this part of the school compound can be allocated to KMTC, and we shall support technically and even professionally in terms of the establishment of the campus here. We have various requirements. We have a checklist which we have shared with the Mheshimiwa and the school committee, so that even as the processes start, then we shall be in line with those requirements. And the first and foremost is the ownership of that land, the demarcation, and from there, sisi kama college tutapeana the prototype ama zile design that tuko nazo ndio ujenzi wa hii shule uanze. Otherwise we are there, we are in support, and as long as all the procedures are followed and all the requirements are met, then we shall be happy to support this. We have seen there's a hospital nearby, and because our students have to be trained using a health facility, we will also require that the authorities that are concerned with the expansion of the hospital to ensure that all the departments, the specialties are there, that they also put them in place, because that is very, very key in the training of our students.
Ureti bwa chukuru enende iboyokete mukondo yonge ntuko inka ya Kenya morarare mubunge ukabere ichunge kabeabea kuanuare tere chukuru
ndarinde kwambiria KMTC no bonda ambiria na ndamitia a point of no return aikwe antu endelea niyo ambiria kuwa ifeki angacheiti angache nama ende ndikwa na kuwa ati aranda ikirite foundation na kwenda umeruteruto wa mika isa sawa na ike nara kwenda lakini omabwa mantu yundambiririe KMTC
amwe na bo madam kurie wete batara arabako loketi wakibwa chukuru erenge kinya kethira ikwethirite kwena musingi yora yoera wayo wakwa chukuru kiwanjene ketibitari.
No, the other one was not yet approved. The processes had not been completed. As we are saying, there are those processes and requirements going by our checklist. So it's only after those minimum requirements are met that we are able to approve.
Na itomi bia koreo kolokia wakibwa chukuru endene kiwanja kesibitare.
When we look at the facility, it is not conducive. One thing, the size of the land was too small to accommodate both the hospital and the campus. So for us, like we have said, our minimum requirement is 10 acres, which was not available on at the other site, unless other piece of land is maybe sought from around the hospital, and then we can shift to that facility. Otherwise, we would not go with that particular facility because it is already too congested by the hospital.
Rewa boria wete aswanete na murandio kumeta liria mbere buru na yothiatira mwanka muthia.
Antupati anisi bakasirwe. Non to anene ba bataya mantone yariko. na botona ngari ira tibo kaba kachirwe bero atiri ibagro KMTC zaidi tunaanza KMTC 0 sio kusema iko mahali imefika, hapana, tunaanza, we are starting afresh.
Nkiripotera Wero TV kuma Tiania, Mbeta wa Mukiri wa Mithika.